Hello, my cute buddies. I'm your English ma'am speaking. Today, we are going to see the rest of the lesson from a Heart of a Tree, part 4. So, in this session, we are going to see about grammar, reflexive pronouns. Before that, we have to know what is a pronoun. A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Subject pronouns, object pronouns. So we have subject pronouns here: I, you, we, he, she, it, they. So this comes at the first place of the sentence, which means the subject. Object pronouns: me, you, as, him, her, it, they. So these come as the object place of a sentence. So here is a paper activity for you children to enrich your brain. So recall that pronouns are words that replace nouns. So why we are using the pronouns? Pronouns such as I, you, he, she, it, we, has, they and them help us avoid repetition of nouns. So instead of using nouns, we are using pronouns. So read figure 9 for pronouns and their uses. Fill in suitable pronouns to complete some sentences. Fill in the last two rows with sentences of your own. So here is a pronoun. How we can use this pronoun in sentence? I. My parents have a lovely garden. I like gardening. You. Raji, you play the guitar well. He. Ravi came home early. He has finished his work. She. Meera has to buy vegetables. So, what will be the answer here? What pronoun will come here? Yes, she is going to the market. It. The cat is tired. It is sleeping now. Now, here we are using it pronoun. We use in sentence. My family is planning a vacation. So if it is we, how we can convert this? Yes, we are going to Manali this month. So here the family members. So family members, we are changing this into we. It is a pronoun. They. The Mehtas are shifting. They are going to Delhi. So a group of people are shifting certain place. So for that, here we are using they as a pronoun. Me. I'm a kind girl. Everyone loves me. Us. So how we can create this in sentence? We are eager to play in the park. My mother did not allow us. Them. So using this them, you have to create the sentence, children. So here is an activity for you. Look within. Describe 3 activities that you can do on your own without the help of an adult. So without your parents' help, your siblings and your elders' help, you have to do certain things by yourself. What are that? That you have to write here. So you may wear dress by yourself, you can get ready to school by yourself. So like that you have to think and write. We use certain words when we want to indicate that we have done something alone and without any help. For example, you may have said, I can get dressed by myself. The word myself is a reflexive pronoun. Okay, so whatever things or whatever action we are doing by ourselves, that is known as reflexive pronoun. So without the help of others. Reflexive pronoun, singular form, and here is a plural form. So subject pronouns, I. So when I is in subject pronouns, how we can convert this in reflective pronouns? Myself. When it is you, we can convert this into yourself. He, himself. She, herself. It, itself. Now plural form, we. How we can convert this in reflexive pronouns? Ourselves. So look at this shelf. When it is singular, we are using shelf, and it is plural, we are using shelves. You, yourselves. They, themselves. So So we can see the description of reflexive pronouns here. A reflexive pronouns refers to a noun or another pronoun that indicates that the same person or thing is involved. Reflexive pronouns are formed by adding shelf or shelves to certain personal and possessive pronouns. Here you can notice the sentence, the woman found herself a book of folk tales. Herself is a reflexive pronoun. Okay, children. Now here is a exercise for you. Pronoun I, reflexive pronoun, we can convert this into myself. When to use it? So how we can use this myself? When I dash, write your name, do something on my own. So what are the things you can do on your own? So that you have to write here. I washed my bicycle by myself today. So this action has been done by you, which means myself. So you have to write like this. So another example, I completed my home fund by myself. Next, he. So we can convert this into himself in reflexive pronoun. To refer to a person of masculine gender, perform an action on his own. So masculine gender, which means the male. Okay. So that we are using himself. Sonu baked the cake by himself. So likewise you have to create the sentence, Raju washed his car by himself. Next, she. So for this reflexive pronoun is herself. To refer to a person of a feminine gender, perform an action on her own. So feminine gender, which means the female. Okay. Mona completed the project all by herself. Meena cleaned her room by herself. Next, you, which is in reflexive pronoun yourself. To refer to someone else, masculine or feminine, perform an action on their own. It may be a masculine or feminine. Okay. So whatever it may be, you will have to walk to school by yourself today. So how we can write, you prepare a dish by yourself. So this means you are instructing or telling some person, some third person else. It itself. To refer to an animal, perform an action on its own. So which it tells the non-living thing or an animal. The cat jumped over the terrace by itself. Likewise you can write, the bird flew over the sky by itself. So which means this action has been done by the animals by themselves. Okay. Now you yourself. So these are in plural form. To address a group of people performing an action on their own, a group of people. Children, you are too young to go out by yourselves. So likewise you can create a sentence, Raj and Sona, you clean your room by yourselves. Next, we. So we, which is in reflexive pronoun, ourselves. To refer to an action that you and a few others perform together on your own. So here you have been involved in this action. So you and the person which is related to you performing an action. We must try and solve the problem by ourselves. So likewise, we prepared food by ourselves. So this means you also involved in this action. So that here we are using we. They, themselves. To refer to a group of people performing an action on their own. So some person else, they are doing their actions. Okay. The students went around collecting money by themselves. So another example, my cousins do their work by themselves. So write all the answers in your studio, children. We use a reflexive pronouns with the preposition by when we want to show that someone does something alone and or without any help. So here we are using the preposition by. For example, I did my homework by myself. My parents painted the house by themselves. Second rule is to emphasize a person or thing that we are referring to. For example, the president himself visited the village. Pondicherry itself is a small town. I met the queen herself. So it emphasizes a person or thing referring to himself. So referring the person indicates itself. President means himself. Pondicherry itself. Queen herself. Next, the exercise, reflexive pronouns. Choose the correct reflexive pronouns to complete these sentences. Arjun saw dash in the mirror. So Arjun is a, what is that? Masculine. So what will be the answer? Himself. Very good, children. Are you planning to visit the cake all by dash? Or you. Here is a you. So what will be the answer? Yes, yourself. They talk about dash all the time. They talk about dash. They talk about ourselves or themselves. What will be the answer? Themselves. She thinks of dash as a kind person. She, which means a feminine. So what will be the answer? Very good, children. Herself. Are you going to the doctor all by dash? Or you. Here you can see a you. So what will be the answer? Yourself. Next, I cannot see dash living in another country. I cannot see myself. So here the subject is I. We can convert this into myself. The Prime Minister dash is visiting our school. The Prime Minister herself is visiting our school. The children can play in the park by themselves. Okay, it is a plural form, so we are writing here themselves. The cat jumped across the wall by itself. So because it is an animal, so we are using itself. Raj and Rahul, please clean the table by yourselves. Now observe these images. Complete the sentences using suitable reflexive pronouns. One has been done for you. So you have to observe the image. Related to that, you have to create the sentence. I like to look at myself in the mirror. Sona is old enough to bath by. So what is the answer? Herself. So here is a child. This baby girl cannot take a bath by itself. So baby child, you can write itself or you can write herself also. Next, it is a dog. A dog hurt. So what will be the answer? Itself when it jumped over the fence. Next, fifth one. See the picture. He cut dash when the vase broke. He cut himself when the vase broke. Now you can see the two children are playing chess. We taught dash to play chess. We taught ourselves to play chess. Now you can see this picture. They are mechanics. Mechanics can repair the car by themselves. Next, it is a boy. I can do my home fun all by I. So what will be the answer? Myself. Now, spot and strike out the errors in these sentences, filling the blanks with the correct reflexive pronoun. One has been done for you. So, you have to spot the error. Next, Rekha cleaned the shelves by, what is the answer? Herself. You should do your work by yourself. So you have to strike out the answer and you have to write yourself. Harry painted his car by. So what is the right answer? Harry is a masculine. So what is the right answer? Himself. So you have to strike out here myself. The scooter cannot repair yourself. So what is the answer? Itself. We themselves sold the tickets ourselves. So you have to strike out themselves, ourselves. You have to write. Now, Rahul brushed his teeth by herself. So, Rahul is a boy. So, what will be the answer here? Himself. It is your school project. Do it myself, or what is the answer? Yes, yourself. Roma bathed her dog all by itself. So, Roma, she is a girl. So, herself is the answer. My friends built a tree house by my friends. So, what will be the answer? Themselves. You have to strike out yourselves here. Students, please solve this math problem. What is the answer? Yourselves. So you have to strike out ourselves. So write all these answers in your companion book, children. So thank you. Complete all these answers. Write sentences of your own. Okay, try to create more sentences using this reflexive pronouns. Thank you.